Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of your Beehive textbook, The Fun They Had. This story is written by Isaac Asimov, who was an American writer and the professor of biochemistry at Boston University. The Fun They Had is actually a science fiction. It tells the story of two young children named Margie and Tommy. Margie, who live in the year 2157, where children get an education through computers at their home. And one day they come through a printed book and learn something about the school that existed hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It is a matter of great surprise for them because they are living in the age of moving e-texts. Margie makes a diary entry which reveals that Tommy has come across a book printed on paper. The pages of the book have turned yellow and wrinkled, which proves that it existed centuries ago. The book is peculiar in the sense that it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. They were not moving like that on a computer television screen. Then Tommy calls it waste because once the book is read, it is of no use. That television screen has had a million books on it and one cannot throw it away. While Margie is of the same opinion, but she is curious to know what the book is about. Tommy tells her that it is about a school. Actually, Margie hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in the geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Then her mother sends for the country inspector. Then he takes the television teacher apart and sets it right within an hour, which only increases Margie's disappointment. Then he tells her mother that it was not Margie's fault, but the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick and has slowed that to an average 10-year level. Then he assures Margie and her mother that there will be no problem henceforth. Margie is curious to know about the school that existed in the past. Then Tommy tells her that it is not their kind of school, that is the old kind of school that they had centuries ago, when the students had a human teacher who taught them and gave them homework and also asked them questions. Then Margie argues that a man cannot be smart enough. Tommy further tells her that the teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. The kids of the same age learned the same thing. And now it is Margie's school time. She goes into the classroom, which is right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher is on waiting for her. She puts her homework in the slot with a sigh. She is still thinking about the old kind schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. Those schools were far better than the schools of today because they offered great fun to the students. So, this was the story of the fun they had, and I hope that you have understood the summary of this lesson. Well, I want that you students see page number 10, questions 1 to 7, and I want that you students mention the answers of these questions in your notebook. Well, this was today's topic. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.